Chemistry CET 2020 COAP first year BTech admission fees and hostel fees. We will discuss about the admission fees and hostel fees before 1 or 2 year. Maybe it is in 2018 and 19 year academic year admission fees. For open category candidate, admission fee 19,350 rupees. But this year also, this admission fee is near about 90 in a range, plus minus plus 5 to 10,000 rupees. Tuition free waiver scheme 75,350 rupees. Then for SC candidate, admission fee for FY BTech 9,500 rupees. ST candidate 49,350 rupees. Then for OBC, SBC, VJNT candidate, admission fee 49,350 rupees. For EBC 82,100 rupees. As compared to this is a COEP is the autonomous government college, but its fee is higher than the some private college which have a higher which have a better ranking. But this COEP is very oldest college. Maybe it is due to that. Uh, then Gulf for Gulf students 90,850 rupees. For NRI candidate, the admission fee $5,000 plus 36,000 rupees. For Jammu Kashmir candidate, admission fee 36,000. Hostel fee, it is in 2018 and 19. It will be in 2020. In 2020, it is near about 5 to 10,000 plus or minus hostel fee. So in 2018 and 19, admission hostel fees is 27,000 and deposit near about 5,000 rupees. Unacademy Maestro batch for MST CET 2020-21 PCM, PCMB, PCB starts on 12th October. Maestro batch for MST CET 2021 starts your preparation for MST CET 2021 with best educator. Subscribe Unacademy Plus at 12,150 6-month plan. Use code 7info to avail 10% discount. PCMB, PCM, PCB links are given in the description box. Unacademy Plus, are you Plus subscriber? Benefits of a Plus: premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing session, quizzes at regular interval for self analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP full length mock, etc. with analysis, single subscription for unlimited access. Everything under single plus subscription. 30 plus top educator, 10 plus batches, 250 plus courses, 2000 plus lesson, and many more added every day. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Unacademy Plus subscription best plan for MST CET 2021 aspirant. 12-month plan at rupees 14,815 or rupees 1,238 per month. 6-month plan at rupees 12,150 rupees or 2,025 per month. Multiple batches launching every month. For 10% discount, use code 7info. 6-month full syllabus Marathi batch starts 7 September. Enroll now. Marathi batch for MST CET 2021 PCMB. Batches in Hindi and English. Comprehensive batches for MST CET 2021 PCB started on August 1. 8-month comprehensive full syllabus batch. Study from top educator for MST CET. Advanced topics to start soon. Enroll now. Unacademy Plus, enroll now. Last minute jitters, feeling confused on how to prepare in the last 30 odd days. Unacademy MSTCT has it all covered for you. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Base plan for MSTCT 2020 aspirant 1-month plan at rupees 2,700 rupees. Batches in Hindi and Marathi. Rank booster batch for MST CET 2020 PCMB 16 full-length mocks analysis session by top educator, learner leaderboard ranking. Tips on maximizing score. Take the test live or attempt later. dedicated doubt clearing session, tips on maximizing score, coverage of a most important topic, batches in English and Marathi, MSTCET 2020, mock test series PCMB started on August 24. Unacademy full-length mock test series for MSTCET 2020. Two mocks weekly until MSTCET 2020. Subject-wise analysis by top educator. Take live test and get rank leaderboard. Evaluate your performance. Attempt later multiple times. Gain confidence before actual examination. Running from 5th September. Enroll now. Schedule Saturday PCM mock test. Sunday PCB mock test. Monday to Friday subject and mock wise analysis. All India mock test series for MSTCET 2020 English batch full length mock test series for MSTCET 2020 start on September 5 at 10 am. Unacademy Plus RU Plus subscriber benefits of a plus premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing session, quizzes at regular interval for self analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP full length, mock, etc. with analysis, single subscription for unlimited access, everything under single plus subscription, 30 plus top educator, 20 plus batches, 350 plus courses, 2000 plus lesson, and many more added every day. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Unacademy Plus subscription base plan for MSTCET 2021 aspirant, 12-month plan at rupees 14,850 or rupees 1,238 per month, 6-month plan at rupees 12,150 or rupees 2,025 per month. New batches start every Monday. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Batches Hindi batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, Hindi English Comprehensive batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, Marathi batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, Championship batch for CET 2021 PCMB in English batch, Hindi batch. Then Unacademy Plus subscription. Learn from top educators like Jagdish Wagh, Digambar Mali, Nirmal Biswal, Rahul Mohnani, Amol Chandankar, Swati Pawar, Tejveer, Sayyid Hasnain, अतुल पेडणेकर, दिवेकर नारायण, राजी उन्नीथन, प्रार्थना पवार, पंकज खाले, मनज काबरा. Unacademy Test Series full length mock test series for MSTCET 2020. Two mocks weekly for MSTCET. Subject wise analysis by top educator. Take live test or attempt later. Evaluate your performance. Gain confidence before actual examination. Running from 5th September. Enroll now for free. Enroll now. Running from 5th September. Enroll now. Schedule Saturday PCM mock test, Sunday PCB mock test, Monday to Friday subject and mock wise analysis. All India mock test series for MSTCET 2020 full length mock test series for MSTCET 2020 start on 5th September at 10 am. So running from 5th September, enroll now. Unacademy Test Series Daily T20 Free Practice Test Series for MSTCET 2021-2022 Daily Test 20 question in 20 minutes. Subject wise analysis by top educator. Take live test and get leaderboard ranking. Evaluate your performance. Attempt later multiple time. Practice regularly and gain confidence for exam. Running from 5th October. Enroll now. Schedule Monday Physics, Tuesday Chemistry, Wednesday, Mathematics, Thursday, Botany, Friday, Zoology. Daily T20 free practice test for MSTCT. Day English batch. Daily T20 free practice test for MSTCT start on October 5 at 7 pm. All links are given in the description box. Also, if you want to join the Telegram group, the links also provided in the description box.